What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
If you're an AYRO stockholder that got in at the peak, then I'm sure you're frustrated by the price action in the last 6 months. At its peak, AYRO was trading around $9, and these days it trades at nearly half that share price. But if you have diamond hands for this stock, then you could be rewarded handsomely because there is a big catalyst on the horizon that should help AYRO's share price in a big way. You see, AYRO is coming up with a new EV for which the company claims they've received a significant amount of purchase orders. If this number is truly significant, then buying now could end up being a great dip buying opportunity. The following is directly from the recent earnings call. The new EV that they're referring to here is the 411X. This is slated to be launched in the very near future, exclusively through Club Car, which has over 500 dealerships in the US. They go on to say the following: "We have already received what I believe, and I can't give you the exact number, but I will tell you it's a significant number. We've already received purchase orders from Club Car. We cannot reflect them yet until Club Car announces the 411X, which is literally on the horizon. I expect it to be very soon." So I would say that we are very bullish on it because we've already got a blanket purchase order to take us through the balance of the calendar year. And the volumes are considerably more than what we've seen in the past 2 years of the relationship we've had with Club Car. So this is obviously great news and big catalyst to look forward to. I expect the share price to react strongly after they announce just how big this purchase order really is. It's also important to know that AYRO is getting noticed at the federal level here. Any sort of support from the federal level would turn out to be a massive catalyst for the company. The CEO goes on to say, "I am also happy to report that the response to our electric vaccine vehicle or EVV from our recent roadshow has been very positive and that a couple of federal agencies are testing the vehicle currently. If approved, an electric vaccine vehicle from AYRO that's used throughout the United States to deliver vaccine would be a huge win for the company and a massive revenue boost." Now, it may take some more time before we hear anything on the vaccine front since developments at the government level take more time, but I believe the more solid catalyst that we should expect in the month of June is more details about the purchase orders that AYRO has received from Club Car. So guys, let me know what you think about these developments. Are you excited about the future of this EV? Have you already invested here, or are you thinking of investing in the company? Leave a comment below to let me know. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.